So what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. We are still busy with our European pond visit, and today I'm visiting a koi pond. Well, actually it are two ponds that are connected with each other. I will explain everything, but one of the pond is inside the house and the other one is outside in the garden. I have seen a lot of different koi ponds throughout the last few years, but this one is quite unique. I'm going to show you everything guys. I'm going to show you the koi pond, maybe you can see it already on this side. I'm going to show you the filtration system and of course an absolutely crazy koi collection. So we start with the pond outside. I will turn the camera around guys so you can see what I am looking at. We are here in Germany and look at this garden. It's pretty well designed and we got a lovely koi pond here with a huge koi collection. Don't make any mistake guys, this fish is around 1 meter in size and the other fish are I think around 70, 75, maybe bigger, and they are hungry. Look at those monsters. Before we get into all the koi and the varieties, let me show you a bit of the pond. So we got a 50,000 liter koi pond over here. This koi pond contains about 3 bottom drains. So we got one bottom drain in here, the other one is over there, and the third one I'm going to show you later. And then we have a skimmer over there. There's all the surface dirt and all the koi food that are still not eaten by the koi are going into that skimmer. We have some very nice pumps. Because the pond has like an oval shape, the owner built some extra pumps to get some extra flow throughout the pond and back, so it can get into the filtration system that is back in the house over there. I will show you that later in this video. So this is a 50,000 liter koi pond. We just shut down the oxygen just to film it, so no worries, we'll put it back on. The owner Simon built this koi pond by itself. It took about 1 year and he did everything. And the fun thing about this is that he came up with an idea that I have never seen before. There's something behind me and maybe you can see it already. Over there is also a pond inside the house. Let me tell you the big secret of this pond. There is a pipe in here and I will show it to you. And I think as we speak one of the koi is getting in there. Here she goes. Well, no, not yet. So maybe one of the other. There goes the Hyutsuri. Look at this. She is going in the pipe. Well, she's not. She's turning around. Come on, do it for the video. Oh, there is a Karashi koi is getting out there. Or it's a Yamabuki, excuse me guys. So as you can see, there's a big pipe in here and he designed it by himself. Then the pipe is running through below the ground here into this pond inside. Isn't that crazy guys? Every winter, every summer, you can enjoy your koi pond. So let's get inside quick to give you guys home sweet home a perfectly view of this koi pond inside. The koi do get out of this pipe, so the exit is here and they can swim also through that side, so it's big enough the koi can pass each other when they're swimming through there. And we got 2 koi in here that are wanted to stay inside with the Buddha statue, well, the Buddha waterfall. We got a really nice Karashi koi here and it's a lovely koi, absolutely wonderful. So, and there was one Showa, and there is the Yamabuki again. She just made the journey from the big pond inside here. Look at this, lovely. Okay, so we got the indoor koi pond, and it also has 1 bottom drain in here. And as we are speaking, we got 2 koi, well, including the Hyutsuri, that are joining us inside here. I've never seen this before. Definitely like this Hyutsuri. It's a wonderful koi. As we speak, she's going back into the tunnel. There she goes, including the kohaku. And if we can go outside quick, we can see her getting out of the tunnel. Yeah, we got the Yamabuki first, and the Hyutsuri, she's back. How cool is that guys? So I'm not joking, this is a pretty cool idea. So I will take you to the filtration room, it's over there. I will show you the filtration house, then we get back to all the koi. So this is the filtration house, and as we speak, I think the drum filler is cleaning his system. We got some really nice koi places over here. And there's one I immediately recognized, this backhoe, and she won a big prize at All Japan Koi Show 2017, I think it was 48. And this backhoe is owned by Philip in Switzerland, the pond we visited last week. Not sure if this is the correct one, but I really think this one is the winning backhoe of Philip. So we got here a really nice drum filter, guys. We got the entrance of the bottom drains and the skimmer. We got 3 pumps. I think they're Oase. Let me check that. Yeah, Oase. So we got 3 huge pumps. We got own made Baki shower. It's made by the owner himself. Just like in Switzerland, those Baki showers are so quiet. I can't even hear any drops falling down the system. And then we got the moving bed in here. I'll show you guys. There it is. So this is the moving bed. And it's, I think, below sea level 1 meter. Well, sea level, ground level, so it's going 1 meter, 1 meter 50 into the ground. And we got the Baki shower. It's really silent. I can't hear any water falling down. We got the pumps, we got the drum filter, and we got some little one. Check it out. And we got some nuts in here. That's great. So this is for the oxygen. The oxygen supply, we just cut it off to fill it. It's a pretty good job by the owner. And this is, I think, one of the parts I really like about our hobby. You can build everything you like. You can see it, for example, with the tunnel below the ground. You can see it with your filtration system. Even if you don't have a technical background, like me, because I don't have one, you are able to build this. Of course, you need some money, guys, to fix it and get it done like this. But if you are able to save some money, you don't need to hire the people to do it. Just build it yourself, do it yourself, but get the good friends around you, get the good guys around you who are able to give you some good advice to build a very nice koi pond, including a very nice filtration system. Okay guys, I have to close the door, then we get to the koi collection, and there are some pretty nice koi in there that I really like to show you. Maybe the most important thing of a koi pond are the koi, of course. There's a very good balance. We got some shagoi in here, we got some karashi koi, but we also have some go sanke. We have some kohakus, showa, sanke, and some other koi. And what is a koi pond without koi? And the funny thing is, the balance here is very nice. And there are some pretty huge koi in here, some up to 1 meter in size. There are some koi that I really like to show you. And personally, one of my favorites is, I don't know where she is. We got there the Ochiba. She is almost perfect. Look at this. I hope she will come up a bit. And we got some very hungry jumbo koi here. But there is the Oshiba. Look at that koi. I really like that one. We've got a pretty big shagoi in the middle here. Then we got some Doichi Karashi koi here. Also very big. And there, look at this. Hello, buddy. Look at this, guys. Oh, man. We got, and there's our big friend again, the Hiyutsuri. And we got some nice beni koi, some clean beni koi. We got the Karashi kois that are really want to eat something. We've got a nice kohaku, it's male. There's another kohaku with some very strong beni. I don't know where he is at the moment, but 2 of them are male. It's also a very nice kohaku. Then we got a great asagi. I thought she was from the Marusai Koi farm, not sure. I definitely know the Hiyutsuri is from the Marusai Koi farm. Then we got the big shagoi, the big chocolate brown shagoi over here with the black spot on the head, but it's lovely. And she's so big. Then we got a pretty cool asagi here. I don't know the breeder, but what is really important when you are buying asagi is don't buy asagi with too much orange. It will come up later, guys, so the balance needs to be good. When you are buying a small, and there's one koi coming out of the tunnel, a small asagi, I don't have to have a lot of orange. It will come later. Just look at the net pattern, if it's correct, it's balanced out. And there we got the great Ochiba. That is absolutely amazing. Absolutely wonderful. Okay guys, so if you liked the video and you like the indoor pond and the outside pond, including the koi collection, please leave me a comment. Don't forget to put thumbs up so we can smash that algorithm of the YouTube system. Thank you so much guys, and thank you Simon for your hospitality and your kindness, and of course visiting your great pond.